channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today, we are doing the draw for our contest in Facebook as well as in YouTube. I posted about this. It is a contest where I ask people to come up with a name that includes the word feet as well as their number of toys. Now, it is something that I want to do because I want to give back to the community for all the support you've given to this channel as well as the Facebook group we have, which is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Headers. So for today, these are the names of those person who have submitted their entries. Now this is combined YouTube as well as Facebook. So the participants are Brian, Zat, JV, April, Otieno, Gulam, Majin, D, Andy, Margot, Ja, Hans, Shara, Usama, Paul, Marjorie, Charmelin, Anna, Neva, Lisa, Kenneth, Chandraleen, Kung Fu, Innocent, Nitesh, Angelica, Joe, Mary Josephine, Rashadi, Juvie, Q, K, we got Connie, we got Avik, Mohammed, Catherine, Trisha, Assad, uh, Ruben, Phoebus, Ira, Prince, Lot, or Lot, Elin, Shem, Zara, Neen, I don't know how to pronounce it, RG, or Argi, MJ, Bonsai, AJ, Arto, Precious, Prashant, Sheena, John, Ira, Success, Dane, Randello, Shahibaz, Brian, Katrine, yeah, Neela Dor, Ali, Wes, Zara, Wolverine, Mike on, I think this is Pratesh, I don't know, Fami, Rajas, Siddharth, Aditya. Oh, got two entries for Aditya here. Let me remove this one. Good thing I went through all the names of the participants again. We have Jutaru, Samanve, Vai, and Boom. All right, so thank you for participating. The prize for this came from the amounts I've earned from the referrals in ClickWorker. We got 77 referrals. Now, unfortunately, only four of those were paid. They are the ones who got referred by me and they earned or they got paid 10 euros. So I don't know who they are. I tried to ask the group who they are or who they were, but unfortunately, no one responded back to me. So what I'll do is for those referral fees that I get paid, I'm gonna do a raffle or a draw or something like this, to make the working environment fun and click worker Philippines and ghostly hitters, as well as I'll include, of course, the subscribers in our YouTube channel. So we will have two winners. Unfortunately, we are only giving away 20 USD. So we will choose two victims or two winners, and they would each receive 10 US dollars through their Payoneer accounts. Uh, if you are in the Philippines, I can do bank transfer or GCash. So if you've won and you are from the Philippines, it'll be a lot easier to transfer money using GCash or your bank account. But if you live abroad, then we'll do Payoneer. All right. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Okay, I wanted this to be really transparent. Okay, so I'll go ahead and spin the wheel, or rather the wheel. So we will choose two winners. I have to click on the center. I'm a bit excited about this. Let's see how it goes. And our first winner for today is Oh my God, it's Margot. All right, Margot, congratulations. So let me just tag your name in the Excel sheet that I've created. Let me look for Margot here. Uh, Margot, I bet you are happy. So we got one winner, and I'm gonna tag or highlight this thing right here. Right there, and minimize it. So let's close it. Guys, again, before we proceed, our Facebook group name is called rather, ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our channel before we can welcome you there. And of course, answer the relevant membership questions. And thank you again for all your support, guys. We are going to hit 4,000 views in a couple of days, maybe. So please pump those watch hours. Okay, we're now at 3,774. I requested for views yesterday, and fortunately, you guys granted my wish, and I thank you for that. I cannot thank you all enough. So, I guess when I looked at the stats, we already reached 4,000, but this one is taking a long time to update. It'll take, I think, 3 days or 48 hours before this moves to 4,000 views, and then we can apply for AdSense. Um, More AdSense. If we get something for that and it's the amount is really good, I'm really happy to share all the blessings that I'll be getting to everyone. All right, moving on to the raffle. I don't know. Moving on to the draw. I'm stuttering, guys. I just woke up. Anyways, let's go ahead and choose the second person to win 10 USD. All right. So I'm sorry. Let me click on this white thing here and ta-da! I'm sorry, I'm coughing. Right, and the next winner is Majin from the Philippines. Oh man. Anyways, congratulations, Margot and Majin. You've both won 10 USD each. So please do reach out to me with either your Gcash number or your bank account, whichever is convenient to you. I will do the transfer by Friday. So I hope to hear from you all. And again, thank you to all those participants. And I look forward to doing more exercises like this. So, just to lighten up things, because working for you HRS is stressful. I do understand that. And again, this is Ghost. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.